Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be discussing an interesting topic: how school students can earn money. As a student, you might think that making money is not possible, but there are actually many ways for you to earn a little extra cash. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the ways you can start earning money today. As students, you may also feel like you don't have enough money to fulfill your needs and wants. But did you know that there are plenty of ways for students to earn money without compromising their study? So here I am sharing 12 best ideas for you to earn some extra cash. So without further ado, let's dive into some of the creative and simple ways that can help you as students earn some extra cash. I am Avatar of David Paul. Before I share my ideas with you, make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Firstly, by giving tutoring classes to other students. One of the easiest ways for school students to earn money is by tutoring other students. If you excel in a particular subject, you could offer to tutor your peers for a small fee. You could advertise your services through your school, social media, or even through word of mouth. Tutoring is a great way to not only earn money, but also improve your own knowledge and understanding of the subject. Secondly, by writing content. If you're good at writing, there are many online platforms where you can make money by writing articles, blog posts, or even product reviews. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and iWriter are great places to start. You could also start your own blog or YouTube channel where you could monetize your content through advertising or sponsored posts. Thirdly, by selling your skills. If you have a particular skill, such as playing an instrument, writing, or even painting, you can sell your services to others. You can promote your services on social media, reach out to friends and family, or even post flyers around your neighborhood. Fourthly, by making your own online gigs. There are plenty of online gig platforms that can help students earn money, such as Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. You can offer your skills such as graphic designing, content writing, or data entry and earn money from the comfort of your home. Fifthly, by participating in surveys. Several companies pay individuals to take surveys or give feedback on their products. This can be a simple way to earn some extra cash. You can find survey opportunities online or through survey apps. At sixth place is by selling your old stuff. Do you have some items lying around your house that you no longer need? You can sell them online on platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Craigslist. This can help you declutter your space and earn some extra cash. Seventh best idea is babysitting or pet sitting. If you enjoy spending time with children or animals, you can offer your services as a babysitter or pet sitter. You can promote your services through social media or even post flyers around your neighborhood. Eighthly, work part-time. If you're looking for a more traditional way to earn money, you can find part-time jobs that can fit around your school schedule. You can find job opportunities at your local grocery store, retail stores, or fast food restaurants. Ninthly, if you have a green thumb, you could start your own gardening or landscaping business. This could include tasks such as lawn mowing, weeding, and planting. You could offer your services to your neighbors or advertise through social media or local community groups. Tenthly, by using cashback apps. There are several cashback apps that can help you earn money while shopping. You can earn cashback on purchases from popular stores and restaurants by using apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, or Honey. Next ideas is, if you enjoy cooking or baking, you could make and sell your own food products. You could start by selling to your friends and family and then expand your customer base through social media or local markets. You could also offer catering services for parties or events. Last idea for today's video is by giving services of musician, photographer, or any other. Like if you have a talent for music, you could offer your services as a musician for hire. You could perform at events such as weddings, parties, or even local gigs. You could also offer music lessons to other students or beginners. There are plenty of ways for students to earn money without sacrificing their studies. From selling your skills to participating in surveys, the opportunities are endless. All you need is some creativity, hard work, and determination to achieve your financial goals. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other ideas, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.